Hello Camaro lovers, in deformed shape that is. So this is a really old ChoroQ of what looks like to be a late 70s Camaro Z28 with a blower engine. So that's what these images are. And if we look at the bottom of this toy here, it does say Z28. This is from like I believe 1985. There's some sort of GT collection or really series, and they have these longer wheelbases than other ChoroQ, so it's a different deformation. But it's very crude. It literally has a paper sticker here, and it's peeling off, being decades old. But it's got the exhaust pipes coming out the side. I like that the Dunlop is molded into the sidewalls. The wheels are all identical in this series. There is no paint on these things, just molded details. And that's the base they're tabbing in. There's a screw in the front. Yeah, very crude. But for 1985, I guess this is kind of cool. The sticker, it's funny. And the window, I think, is blacked out. Or it's a black piece of plastic. I guess it's heavily smoked. You can see my finger moving. Alright, so that's it. It's very plain looking, but it's so old. I like it. Alright, so I reviewed the Corvette Stingray from the same collection a while back. Same lack of paint, just a bunch of stickers. And then more recently is this Ford Mach 1. So those are the three I have from this collection. I'll have to see which other ones I need to get. Here's a whole different type of deformation. Sadly, I'm pretty sure this is by Kirin Fire, which is a coffee drink or something in Japan, and they give out these freebies. But so for something free, I mean, look at all the paint details and the molded details. It's pretty nice. And it's still a pullback toy, if that matters to you. It's got really small wheels, though. Look at it, it's tiny compared to these things. And then this one, sadly, I don't know what it says either, but I have a suspicion it might be a Suntory Boss freebie, which is a different kind of coffee in Japan. So we got a 2010 Camaro, and it put some alloy wheels on it. And then here's an actual ChoroQ of more normal proportions, although I lowered the stance on this one and 3D printed my own wheels. This is just says Corvette, but it's from 2007. I think this is the second generation Corvette. Or is it the third? Maybe it's the third. I forget. So you can see, the shortness of a ChoroQ compared to these earlier ones. So it's definitely different. But doesn't mean I don't like it. Alright, let's pop it on the dyno today. I don't know who this character is, but it looks like the kind of person that would be driving this. Okay, well, yeah, we'll have to see what other ones are out there. It's just that sadly there's no resource for ChoroQs. I have no idea how many castings they've made, but it's got a number in the hundreds, if not maybe even approaching 1,000. I don't know. They've been doing this since 1980. So, alright, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.